Hey guys, Amin Shawki here, Head of Growth at InfoTrust for another minute or two with Amin. And today we have a special guest, Kent Oldham, our Head of Data Governance at InfoTrust, to share a little bit of insights from some recent workshops that we conducted in a few key cities around data governance and getting your data in order. So Kent, what would you say are some of the key insights that you want to share with our subscribers as takeaways from this workshop?
Perfect, great question. Well, after I had some conversations with some of the folks that were actually at the workshops, there were some things that were really starting to pop. One was the fact that people really are now beginning to embrace the fact that these privacy laws and regulations are real. They're not going away, there's a trend, they're coming, they're staying. The other key takeaway I think that folks had was there is a process and you can get in control and you can stay in control. And so that kind of brought the fear factor down. And then I think the last takeaway that folks had, which is the fact that customer data is so valuable within their companies that they really just need to make sure they understand about not only how to be compliant, but also where is all that data and how to get the most value out of that data. So from my standpoint, those were kind of the key three takeaways based on my conversations with folks. So appreciate you asking the question.
Yeah, and really hope all of our subscribers are thinking about this. We definitely are. A lot of our clients are. We have a lot of content on our website, InfoTrust.com, and I think a couple more follow-up events that you're leading and the team's leading. So definitely check those out and let us know if you have any questions as well. So thank you very much, Ken.
Thank you.
And thanks for watching.